Welcome everyone to a brand new Buddy's Bar update. It's been a few days. I know a lot of you are stressing about it opening. When's it going to open? Is it going to be ready? You can see the guys are all here working hard. We're going to take you in and give you a big full update. There's been some good progression. Loads of you still saying I'm living in dreamland. I live in Fantasyland. You might as well be at the Magic Kingdom. Because you do not believe the bar is going to be open mid-November. So let's go in and have a little look at what's going on. You're going to get some good ideas on some of the theming now, some of the tiling, and we'll see exactly what the progress has been. I think it's been about 5 days since our last video. So let's head on inside and show you a big full update. Bring it on. Okay, here we are then. So you can see quite a few visual changes. The front all looking nice and neat, which we know about. The little fence is all in order. Now, some of you, when we painted this green wall, some of you did think that it was just going to stay that kind of green. But what it is, we have got a bigger floral wall going up, and we just wanted to make sure if you did see through any slight tiny little gaps, it was green behind. So you can see this is what it's going to look like in terms of the floral stuff. You've got a nice big flower wall on here. You might be wondering what these wooden boxes are. So these have all been hand built. These inside are going to have a couple of TVs. They're screwed shut at the moment, but they're not going to be showing sport. As you can see, they're going to be portrait, and these are going to be visual windows. So these will be windows with different views on, like you're looking out at certain things, and you can see the floral wall's gorgeous, isn't it? Really nice, thick, can't see through any gaps, but just in case you could, we wanted to paint it green behind. All of this wood's all going to be stained up nice. Same on this side, you're going to have that window view. TV's going to be portrait, and then you've got all the floral wall ready to go up. These, by the way, to get the thickest, best quality stuff, these are about 100 and something per square, per sheet. Because if you go for the cheaper ones, the thinner ones, you can see through the gaps. We wanted to make sure anyway, but if on the more sort of less expensive ones, you can see through all the gaps to behind. So yeah, that's the main big update yesterday. That was all done yesterday. I think it looks really nice. There is going to be other stuff going on there as well, so don't think that's the finished article, but you get a good idea. Behind the bar then. Right, let's have a little look inside. So we've got our neons along the bar now. This has got, I think, 7,000 different colours. You can have it on a nice colour rotation like it's on now. The neon behind, we're all wired up as well. The electrician's been smashing it, putting all our sockets where we need it, all our wiring everywhere. But yeah, this has come out really nice, the bar, these different colours. We might set it to one colour or change it up, or the slow rotation's nice. You can speed it up, slow it down. And then our bathrooms. So a lot of you asked about the tiles that we've gone for, and you can see now what we've done. So we've got all fully retiled. We've gone for these sort of ones that match the floor quite well, the grey, and then there's going to be feature walls in each bathroom. These were quite expensive, these tiles. We've got green for the disabled and the men's. Disabled and the women's are green, and the men's are blue, but there is going to be some lighting in here which will change these colours slightly. They're a bit dirty, they're not finished yet. You need to see the finished article, but these were quite expensive, these tiles. But we wanted some nice coloured sort of feature walls, along with the nice smart grey tile as well. I'm glad we changed them. We were going to try and stick with this, weren't we? Awful. Yeah, these are really nice. These took ages to find, and I'm excited to see them finished. But when you get some coloured lighting, they will change colour a little bit as well from what they are. They probably look a bit naff at the moment, but when it's finished, you'll see a nice difference there. So the guys are all in working hard. I don't want to disturb them for too long. But I do like all the lighting that's gone on now. It's looking good. So you can see how quick it's going. The electrician's here all day again today, tomorrow. All of our plumbing is in there now as well. That's going to be nice. We've got it all tiled behind here as well. So all of our white cleanable tile is all on the back of the bar now as well. So we can wipe all that down. A lot of things you can't sort of see in the background. Granite is ordered, it's on the way. They've done their final measure, it's being cut and everything, and it is on the way. What we'll do is just pop upstairs. The stairs are being altered and changed and adjusted to the correct height and everything. We had to make some more changes with the stairs. We got the architect back out, the guy doing the license and everything, and these are all going to be changed and adapted. They've got their plan for that. Upstairs then, we've done lots and lots of tiling. So here it is, all tiled on our original rooftop. Looks nice, doesn't it? I can't really see too much because all the furniture's here, but all brand new tile up here to match the tiles downstairs. Nice big cleanable anti-slip. And then on the other side we have had to level the floor out, so they haven't quite started tiling that. I think that'll be today or tomorrow. They had to do a load of leveling yesterday before they can start fully tiling it all. I don't want to stand on it in case it's not, I think it is set, but there we go, we'll take our chances. But yeah, there you go. So once this is tiled, the upstairs is quite easy. Tidy up this roof, some new tiles on the roof. It looks good, doesn't it? I like the change of colour. A little bit lighter, a little bit more sandy, more in keeping. It just made sense to do it all, trying to match old tiles, new tiles. These look newer than them. There's just no point. By the time you're fanny about, you might as well have just done it all. So that's the progress on the rooftop. We see all our furniture's all bagged up and being protected. Our other furniture is here and ready. Just need to have it delivered when we get a chance. Now, the other thing we need to do is pop back downstairs to see the progress on the toilets being built and everything. Do please let me know your thoughts on the progress. I know so many of you, there's been some cracking comments that have made me chuckle, and there's some genuine concerns and some like hope you do it but it looks tight, etc. So yeah, a lot of it helpful, a lot of it, you know, ever the optimistic, some very negative mindsets in the comments. And if you don't set a target date, then these things can go on forever and ever. I think we're still on target for mid-November, but let me know your thoughts. Spinning this back around, you can see this has all been plastered here as well, where we had to build that wall. All plastered nicely, ready for a door to go in. All up here, plastered, nice and new. And then what we'll do is go downstairs. And so we've got a specialist coming in for these stairs to sort them out. What we'll do is just pop downstairs and see what's happening. But let me know, I love those colours. It's not finished yet, so bear that in mind. These are just the basic lights that have gone in, but you can see how we can change the colours to make the tiles look slightly different colours, and got those shine coming off the tiles as well. All the rewire going in, all brand new wiring. Let's just pop downstairs. We are going to take these stairs back to a more wood, natural colour, not black anymore. Let's quickly just pop downstairs and have a look how we're doing. You can see this has all been plastered off nice up here as well. Looks nice and smart. All the window frame gone now. Nice and smart again. Need to get something new on here. But you can see straight away hit by the false ceiling, so you can see the walls going in. Working really hard down here. There you go, here's a little bit of an update. So this is the toilets. So the walls are basically up. And I think some people asked about which way the toilets were. I can't remember which one was which now. So I think people were saying, oh, why, can't remember, is there a reason why the women's are first or something? I don't know, there's some fun comments go on. Like I said, some helpful, some a bit random, or some like try and twist things, like we put men before women or something. I don't know, I think I got it wrong anyway. I think they were complaining. Are the men's on the left and the women's on the right?
This is the men's here.
So this is the men's, yeah, and the women's is first, yeah. There you go. So I got it the wrong way round in the last video. Let me just put some light on and I'll quickly show you. Looking great down here. There we go, now we can see a little bit. So this will be the men's, where you'll have a urinal and a toilet, I believe, is the plan. So I got it the wrong way around. I said this was the women's, this is actually the men's. Not that it makes any difference anyway. But men's will have a urinal there as well. So there you go. Men's a little bit different to the women's. This wall has gone in as well to separate off into the stock room, staff room through here. I'll quickly show you the progress in here. Here we go. So in here's mostly been, you can see it's all been nicely plastered. So even in here's been plastered off, and then all the plumbing has been going on as well. Lots of bits behind the scenes. Still loads to go back here. Loads going on. But looking good. I'm going to slink through, sorry, and then I'm done. I'm off. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. So, there we go. There is your little update. I will be back again in a few days' time. You can let me know your thoughts of how we're doing. Looks good. Really good. I'm happy, pleased. So that's the tile that's gone in the disabled and the women's. Don't know if I'm trying to see somewhere in here, or the blue version for the men's. Here we go. So do please get involved. Let me know your thoughts on it. Going well, Harry? All good? All good.
A big week. We'll do it.
Big week. Are you going to prove the doubters wrong that all say it's not going to be ready in time?
Well, the whole world wants me to fail, don't they? But we'll keep going and keep going, and we'll keep pushing.
And then we've got the metal work going in for the sign, haven't we, soon?
Today.
Nice.
The guys coming today to do the welding, and the sign's going up on Friday.
Perfect. So new sign Friday, welding today. This beam's going, bits and bobs. You're good to go. Thank you very much. Thanks guys, the guys have just given me a minute to film for you all, so I've just nicked 10 minutes off them there. Thank you very much. But yeah, it's looking good, looking really good. I tried to come in yesterday to film an update, but I'm just so haywire at the moment. I've got the general manager off, I've got one of the key staff members in the office off, so it's just me and Laura in the office, and we are slammed at the moment, turning down about 20 people a day, which I'm not complaining about. I love that, but you can understand the pressure and the stress of that is intense. So I haven't had too much free time, which is annoying me as well, because I love the vlogging. The vlogging's my like sort of hobby, my little outbreak, so I've not been able to get that too much. So yeah, just the cars, basically. I'm slammed with the cars. Laura's been doing loads of the behind the scenes stuff, so it's just been crazy. But there's your update for now, and let me know your thoughts. The windows and the boxes, they're not finished, so just bear that in mind. Those walls aren't going to finish like that. It's not just going to be like a wood patch and some flowers. It's going to be more involved. That's more just the start of it, but that's the idea. Is you're going to have those different views. We can put different backgrounds on, and you can be looking out at different views is the idea. When it all comes together and you see the finished article is when you can sort of give a full judgment on that. And some people like it, some people will think it's different, but I want to be different, so that's the whole thing. There's loads of fantastic sports bars, loads of fantastic live music bars around here, absolutely smashing it. So we want to be a little bit different. We're not going to be doing the live music, we're not going to be doing sports and football and everything, because loads of great bars are already doing it. Even on our own 19th hole with the sports and all the great music bars on the bank there, El Mirador. So you're spoiled for choice around here. You're gonna have a fantastic bar crawl. You want a bit of live music, you want a bit of food, you want a bit of karaoke, you want some cocktails and a chill, which is gonna be us. You're gonna have so many options to mix it up, and that's what's nice about our area. So that gives you a good idea, a little bit of insight into the sort of theming and the ideas as well. Think like beachy, escape, tropical, you know, chill vibes. We're very exciting. It's coming together quite quickly now, isn't it? So many doubters. Even had one person say, you'll be lucky to open end of December. It takes a week to stock the bar. Right. I don't know where a week to stock the bar comes from. To bottle a bar will literally take us a day max. We've got most of it in storage, and everything else is like next day delivery. So we put an order in today for barrels, bottles and everything. It'll all be here tomorrow morning, or even this afternoon if you needed it. So bottling the bar will take us a day max. We're going to have all 5 staff members in, helping us do all that, cleaning and everything. So it will come together very quickly. Very quickly. You're not seeing all the furniture which is in storage in a decky waiting to be delivered. The granite being cut, fridges are on the way, sink is on the way, it's all in hand. But do please keep commenting and letting us know, because a lot of your comments are very helpful. It maybe makes you think of things you haven't, and I do really appreciate that. A lot of you did come up with some great things, so do keep commenting. Try and stay positive, all the naysayers. And we will do our best to prove us wrong, as Harry said. The whole world wants him to fail, but I don't think he will. I think we'll smash it as best as we can, and do our best. But thank you all very much. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. More updates on the way. Hopefully more Tenerife vlogs on the way as well. So make sure you do subscribe. If you're going to be in Tenerife in the next few months, make sure you pop down to Buddy's and try one of our new amazing cocktails. And stride on. Have a wonderful day. It is beautiful over here. Absolutely gorgeous day. And if you're wondering, it is November the 5th today, and the weather is already 25 degrees. It is beautiful today. So if you're thinking of coming over, even if it's not for a cocktail or a mocktail, get yourself over to some sunshine. There's some cracking deals at the moment. A lot of last minute bookings coming in, and flights are really good prices. So get yourself over, come and enjoy some sunshine before the real doom and gloom sets in. And I see the Christmas ads have already started as well. So if you want to escape a little bit of that, get more of the summer feels, get yourself over to Tenerife. There you go, my phone's ringing already. So I will catch you all in a little bit. And of course, stride on. Bye guys.